Susenstone Pro Stainless Steel Cosmetic Makeup Palette Spatula Tool. A must for a makeup enthusiast, as one knows mixing makeup on the back of your hand can get messy. K Palette Essence in W Eyebrow Grayish Brown. 3-in-1 eyebrow tool combines pencil, powder, and brush for quick and easy definition and grooming of brows. Fine pencil tip allows you to create sharp angles and soft curves on brows. Use the powder tip to fill in gaps and even the coloring. Use the brush at the last step to quickly groom brows for a flawless look. Powder, talc, triisostearine, ethyl hexyl hydroxystearate, silica, dimethicone, panthenol, hydrolyzed collagen, oryza sativa germ oil, silk powder, squalene, Simonsia chinensis seed oil, Loea europaea fruit oil, Macadamia integrifolia seed oil, Helianthus annua seed oil, Butyrispermum parkle butter, sodium hyaluronate, Saxifragus armentosa extract, Prunus persica leaf extract, Rosmarinus officinalis leaf extract, royal jelly extract, hydrolyzed collagen, Scutellaria bicalensis extract. Ascorbyl tetrazopalmitate, stearyl glyceritinate, hydroxyproline, tocopherol, water, butylene glycol, sorbitan isostearate, silica, magnesium stearate, alcohol, methylparaben, mica, iron oxides, titanium dioxide. Z palette size large Geo Dusk to Dawn Beauty. When I saw these colors, I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. It's about nostalgia for me. I grew up during the 90s, and this design reminds me so much of the television show Martin and to a lesser extent, Living Single. I had to have it. It arrived today, and I love it. I wish it came with more of the magnets because I ended up using a lot more of them than I anticipated. I am using it to depot my Wet n Wild shadows from the 8 shadow palettes because I only wanted to keep some of the colors. I'm certain this will entice me to reach for those shadows more now that I've arranged them my way. It was wrapped up and packaged very nicely, so that it didn't get beat up during shipment. Makeup Magnetic Z Palette Saffiano Leather Texture Collection Medium. I love this Z palette. It has a nice faux leather that seems like it will last for a while. Holds my shadows and blushes that I've depoted nicely. It even comes with extra magnetic pieces with stickers glue to put on the ones that are not true metal. Recommend to anyone that is depoting or has makeup that comes in pans. The medium size is nice and can easily slip into a tote or larger makeup bag. Also, it is deep enough for some domed items and eye or lip pencils and brushes. Limited Edition Kiss and Blush Cream Cheek and Lip Palette. A universal cream cheek and lip palette powered by the proprietary rainforest of the sea complex. Fash Professional 88 Color Eyeshadow Matte and Shimmer Palette. Fash brings to you an all-new 88 color eyeshadow palette. Just gift this to your loved ones and see them smile, and it's affordable also. This palette is worth gifting. Along with matte colors there are shimmery shades that are expertly coordinated. It is comfortable to carry. The highly pigmented eyeshadow applies evenly and blends well on skin. The product is made from natural mineral oil base that makes it last for hours until you wash it off. So what are you waiting for? Just grab the most affordable Christmas gift for your mom, sister and friends. For best results use it with Fash Professional brush sets. Glitter Eyeshadow Diamond Dust Professional Grade 48 Color Day. This product is awesome. I love all of the colors. If you use the primer, which comes as a free gift, the colors will show up on your eyes very vibrantly. You should, however, give the primer at least 3 minutes to dry before you put eyeshadow over it. I have tried multiple color patterns, but the pictures I've taken don't do the colors justice other than the one I've provided. All of these colors are so pretty and vibrant. I'm just in love with this palette for the price. The only flaw is that there is not a perfect white in this palette, therefore the white you see on my picture is from another palette I have from another brand. Additionally, I added a little more glitter to the inner corners of my eyes. Regardless, I am incredibly satisfied with this product. The glitter is not overwhelming, but it is certainly noticeable. I would probably not wear any of the bold colors from one palette to a professional workplace, but the other palette that comes in this shipment is perfect for a more subtle look. I will absolutely continue to buy this product as long as it is in stock. Great value premium quality professional makeup artist set. Best value high quality makeup set with eyeshadows in 120 different colors. If you would like to see more high quality Vaga products, click on the brand name under the title of this listing. This Vaga palette has multiple use for various occasions, be it parties or just a casual outing. It contains all that is needed to bring out the spark and charm in you. 15 PCS 26mm Cosmetic Empty Eyeshadow Makeup Pans for Palette. Great price. It doesn't have a mirror and the tins are a cheaper material, but for the price I'd buy it over again and plan on buying a second one soon.